everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Ribbit here. Today we're going to make a nice international dish which is nice and very warming, and it's kind of like a one-pot meal. It's Turkish chicken biryani. Now the reason why it's Turkish is because traditional biryani, which originated in India, used rice. As the recipe moved westward into Eastern Europe and Turkey, those people started using Bulgur wheat. Bulgur wheat is delicious and it has a nice nutty flavor. Bulgur wheat is the whole wheat grains that haven't been stripped of the bran or the hull or the germ, that are parboiled and dried, and then they're ground. And they're considered a whole wheat. They're very healthy for you, and they're heart friendly. So people watching their sugar, you can eat all you want of Bulgur wheat because it has a lot of fiber. We got chicken. We're going to use better than bouillon for the chicken stock, onion, olive oil, tomato paste. We got some sweet paprika here, salt and pepper and butter, and some bay leaves. So stick with me and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the chicken thighs and we're going to brown them in a mixture of olive oil and butter, and we want to cook them mostly all the way through, and as they cook we're going to remove them to a pan on the side. Alright, we've removed all but a couple tablespoons of the fat in this pan that we've cooked the chicken in, and now we're going to take the onions and we're going to cook them till they get nice and cooked through. Alright, so these onions have been cooking for a few minutes and they're starting to look good. So at this point we're going to add the salt and pepper, and the quantities are going to be on the notes below, as well as the sweet paprika. Okay, we're going to continue to mix this up and stir it for another few minutes. After a couple minutes, we're going to add about a cup of chicken stock. Now, when I started the video, I had forgotten that Mrs. Ribbit made some chicken stock yesterday. She boiled a bunch of bones and stuff, so we've got that. We're not going to use better than bouillon. So let's go ahead and add about a cup and continue to mix that well. Alright, after a few minutes over medium-high heat, we're going to add the 4 bay leaves and the Bulgur wheat. Okay, I'm making a slightly larger recipe, but I'll put the regular recipe ingredients below. Now, this is going to be really dry, but that's okay. We want to cook it like this for a couple minutes and get it all incorporated. Once that's combined nicely, now we're going to add the chicken stock, and I have turned the heat off because we're going to bake this. Okay, and that's about the right amount. Now we've nestled in the cooked chicken thighs in there, and this is going into a 375 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 40-45 minutes. Alright, here it is right out of the oven, 40 minutes at 375. Now we're going to cover it with foil and let it rest for 5 minutes. And here you have it, delicious Turkish chicken biryani. Oh my goodness, that Bulgur wheat smells so good, and that brown chicken, and so many onions. Oh, that's great. Let's go ahead and give it a try here. Bulgur wheat is really good if you've never had it before. It's chewy, it's nutty, it's got all the bran and all the nutrition that wheat can have, so it's great for you. And the recipe is really mild, actually. The paprika is really nice. Sets it off. And for you astute viewers, I forgot to add the tomato paste. But no worries, because all it did was add color, probably. There wasn't enough in there to add a whole lot of flavor. So anyway, thanks for watching. Y'all take care.